that do not lean to a foreign power, that do not favor US or do not favor China. Yan na lang ang example natin kasi yan naman ang reality natin. Yung gitgitan ng US at China. We already won in the arbitral award. We already have an award from that case that we filed with using the UN Convention on the Law of the Seas. Nanalo na tayo dyan. Alam na ng buong mundo. Kikilingan mo, tama ba ang Tagalog, ma'am? Kikilingan mo ang isang foreign power, papapasukin mo ang mga missile ng foreign power sa bansa mo na alam mong kinaiinisan noong kalaban niya na wala ka namang kinalaman sa gitgitan nilang dalawa. That is not independent foreign policy.
Nabinweltahan naman ni Auntie Claire saying na Sara Duterte is pro-China and the Dutertes has been historically pro-China. So, nothing new or nothing kind of surprising sa kanyang sinabi.
Yusek, VP criticized the country's foreign policy and the administration's decision to allow foreign missiles in the Philippines. Ang sabi niya po, papapasukin mo ang missile ng foreign power sa bansa mo na alam mong kinaiinisan ng kalaban niya. Any comment po, Yusek? Salamat.
Yes, the President said, we expect that from the Dutertes because they are pro-China. At ang Pangulo po ay pro-Philippines.
With Duterte countering na hindi siya pro any country at all.